What's up mga katol? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video tayo mag-Philippine Festival 2025. Oh yeah! Bagong intro! Paso!
Tara na, let's go. Sakay na sa biyahe. Kasama si Hache. Chill lang, walang pake. From the city lights to mountain views, we're chasing dreams, we're chasing clues. Hache, kawamoto. Sa trip mo ko'y ganado. Every place, every smile, bawat kwento ay bago. Sama ka, don't be shy, let's fly and say hello. Travel more, live free with Haji Kawamoto.
Subscribe! Video! Pasok! Tara na, pasok na tayo. Dito ko ngayon sa Philippine Festival. Oh yeah. Sana all.
Our second runner-up, with an average score of 90.75%, is contestant number... Who's your band? 7, Alejandro Sandal Arcangel. Congratulations!
With an average score of 91.50.
Our first runner-up is contestant number...
Kinakabahan ako! Gagaling nila! 3! Teneriya Kalimatsu! O Etinakista! Diba? Congratulations! Laban kung laban! Guys, ito na! Number ano na ang susunod? Our grand prize winner!
We would like to thank, of course, Miss Mokoro Nerissa Gadugdug for sponsoring our second prize. And of course, it's also
Prize winner! Hoy! Oh my God! Sino
Eto
yan?
na!
May mga mananahas doon! May mga mananahas doon! Ano daw? Palaban! Palaban!
our grand prize winner with an average score of
92.50!
92.50% is contestant number...
Grabe, kinakabahan ako! Guys, wala kayo dyan! Wala kayo dyan! 5! Grabe! Eto yung diva, yung Japanese siya guys, pero kinanta niya Tagalog na talagang mga pang diva-diva. Diba?
Yes, and of course, we would like to thank Mr. and Mrs. Annalyn de la Cruz Nakasigi and Miss Jocelyn Olanday Aronen for sponsoring the prize.
And of course, we would like to, she will be getting this round trip ticket from Philippine Airlines.
Philippine Airlines!
Palakpakan naman natin! Grabe na i-share na ang talent, nanalo pa sa Unipart here at siya last year. Diba? Ganyan.
Thank you very
Sali
much.
lang ng sali hanggang masali na masali.
Congratulations to
Oh,
all
yung mga iba
our winners.
Congratulations to all our contestants and congratulations to all our winners.
And
you
of
all
course-
deserve it. Oh guys,
Dito muna kayo.
Di kami
Ayan,
nag-like
kasi
kayo.
may surprise tayo sa inyo. Aside from our winners, our other finalists will also be awarded.
Nalabutan yung pagkanta nila.
Yes, by
Awarding na lang.
with some vouchers from LBC Transtech. And of course,
LBC Transtech po is a air cargo door-to-door service po from Japan to the Philippines. So aside po sa aming sea cargo na Balikbayan box, meron din po kaming air cargo. Thank you! Air cargo po is the fastest way in sending your padala package to the Philippines. From flight date po, 2 to 4 days lang ang Manila, Luzon, 3 to 5 days, 7 to 10 days po, Visayas, Mindanao. If you have items po or gifts, especially this Christmas po, kindly contact us so we can send your padala package to your loved ones. For more information po,
come on, Merry Christmas!
Sa trahedya sa lumuan, kag paglumbo sa industriya sa kalamay, hindi ini kasablaga sa dakpanwang bakulod sa pag-atubang sa hangkat sa panahon. Aton sa diyakon lang taon, naghandumon, ang masana, kapag naon. Gani, kumulo yung makulubnon, ari, ang maskara, ganaga, yuhon.
So yun nga no, hanggang dito na lang tong video na ito dahil ako yung uuwi na, oh yeah. Please like and share mga katol, huwag kakalimutan, subscribe, Haji Komoto,
Let's
oh
go.
yeah.
Sakay na
Thank you.
sa biyahe Kasama si Hache Chill lang walang pake From the city lights to mountain views, we're chasing dreams, we're chasing clues. Haji Kawamoto, sa trip mo ko'y ganado. Every place, every smile, bawat kwento ay bago. Sama ka, don't be shy, let's fly and say hello. Travel more, live free with Haji Kawamoto. Snow sa Japan o dagat sa Pinas, bawat hadbang memories na pangbalas. With the lens and heart so true,